Hello, this is David. I'm going to introduce you my reason today. My reason today is about keyboard shortcut for Windows computers you didn't know before. I encourage you to subscribe on my channel, comment, like, share to your friends, for that they know about what's going on in these days. You too, you will have profit of every new coming videos on our channel, as we are making interesting topics day by day. So let's go. Before we go, hit the subscribe button below, click the bell icon, press like and comment below. Let's go. Now, for Mac users, press substitute the command key for the Ctrl P. This substitution will work for the majority of commands. What it means for the users who Mac, remove Ctrl P. I think it is understandable. Let's go. General commands navigation is the first one. Go below. Let's start. First shortcut is desktop foreground. You click Window key plus D. Then I take Window plus D. You see, this is what it means. We come on our presentation. Second one, context menu. When we see context menu, we right click. It brings things like this. This is what we call context menu. When you are on screen, for example, context menu brings refresh, open new folder, and so on, and customize your desktop screen. And here we go on the third. The fourth, it's Alt plus Tab, which is toggle between open application. Let's do edit Alt key and plus Tab. You see, I choose what key to open. For example, when open this one, you see, I hold Alt and plus Tab. When I reach on the tab I want to open, I choose from those opened one and I let those keys at the same time. Yes, I think it is understandable. The fifth one. Oh no, we are on the fourth. The fourth, it's Alt plus X. It's exit application. For example, I don't like to exist this application. Let me choose the one I can exist, for example. Or for example, this Word document. Yeah. Remember, it said it's Alt F plus X. Yeah, it's Alt F plus X. You see, they asking us, do you want to save change? Me, I don't want to cancel there, so I choose cancel. Yes, and then I return on our presentation bar. Now the fifth one, it's Alt plus spacebar plus X, which is maximize the window. What I say, this is the window, open the window. So it's maximized. So what can I do? It's that I can minimize it. So to minimize, I can use this sixth shortcut, which is Alt spacebar plus N. Yes, you see, I minimized it directly. This one even I can minimize. You see, on by simply clicking at spacebar plus N. So let me toggle between open tabs as we have seen and return to our presentation. We have number 7, Ctrl plus W, which is close the window. So I don't want to close this window. For example, let me close this one. Here I choose Ctrl plus W. You see it's closed, so I don't want to close. So that's why I cancelled it. So let's come back. Therefore, the last one on this navigation shortcut is F2, which is the name selected file or folder. What does it mean? Let's go. For example, let's go on these songs and choose, for example, this song. When I select it and press F2, it's bring rename option and call, for example, Nyakso, which is my favorite comedian. So then you see it's renamed Nyakso. So I think this was the last one. So let's continue. Man, this was the first one. Then we continue. So we have the other boxes. When we say enter, select the highlighted button. What does it mean? When we are, for example, here and click enter, it opens this. You see, here it's opening it. So we don't like to play. So yeah, I think you have seen what does it mean. The second one, tab, which select the next button. Let's go, for example, here. Yes, the tab. You see tab. And when you, for example, we come on, you see what tab do? You see, yeah. Okay, so let's come on our presentation bar, and then we have arrow key, which select the next, previous, up and down here, as we know. Let me come there, for example, and use those arrow keys. Yeah, for example, when you select here and use the arrow key, you see, yeah, it's very simple to use, more than that. So shift plus tab, you see, it's to select the previous. Even you can use it here. Shift plus tab. Yeah, shift plus tab. You see, it come back by the time tab go to the next. Okay, let's come on our presentation and continue. We come on Microsoft Word formatting. Let's move down. I encourage you to make subscribe, press, comment, share, and like. Please be permanent. The first one, it's Ctrl P, which is print. Yeah, let's go open in Microsoft Word to see. When we use Ctrl P, it's a print. It directs you in the printing option. You see, you can choose the number of copies. You choose the printer here, if it's HP Razor Professional, if it's whatever printer is connected. So let's go come back. Yeah, then the second one, it's Ctrl plus S, which is save. Even I have talked before. Yeah, I think that's not the first time I repeated this, that Ctrl S is save. When I, for example, is this, I press Ctrl plus S. You see, they dragged me to the saving window. Yeah, let me save, for example. Arrow shortcut number 3. Ctrl Z, which is undo. For example, let's go. For example, we do this. and make it bold by press Ctrl B, and make it italic by press Ctrl I, and then we press Ctrl Z, which is undo. You see, for example, italic is eliminated. Let me press Ctrl Z again. Bold will be eliminated. You see. Okay, let's go. Come back on our presentation. Number 4, we have Ctrl plus Y, which is redo. It's vice versa. Yeah, Ctrl plus Y. You see, bold is activated and italic is going to be activated as seen. So then come on number 6, which is Ctrl B, make bold. I think we have seen when you choose Ctrl B again, we remove bold. You see? Then let's go. Ctrl I, make italicize letters. So it's use italic format. So it's in italic. When I use Ctrl plus I, it means I remove italics. When I Ctrl I again, Ctrl plus I put in italics. Now then come also Ctrl U, it's underline. Ctrl U, which is underline. You press Ctrl and U. It means you what will be underlined. You see, it's underlined. Yeah, when you press also Ctrl plus U, where the words underlined, it's only underlined as seen. Okay, let's go. Now other one, it's as you see, it's Ctrl C, which is copy. I think everybody here know. When we choose copy, for example, we then press Ctrl C, and for example, pick it and come here, Ctrl V, it's paste. I think we are going to reach on Ctrl V, which is paste. I think you have seen. So Ctrl X also is cut. Yeah, for example, this word, let's select by Ctrl Shift and the arrow key, select one by one, and then click Ctrl X, you see, and when I move cursor there and I press Ctrl V, the word will be there. So let me remove this handwriting by selecting this word and press Ctrl U as you have said. I still remembering you to subscribe, please. I'm making these videos for changing your knowledge about computer. I think in our daily life we are using computers, you use smartphones, all of them use those shortcuts. So most on computer. Let's continue. That by toggle between two tabs, open tabs, and then Shift F3, which is change case later. Yeah, you see, Shift press F3. For example, this select the word and choose Shift press F3. You see, it's now in lowercase, and when I press again, it's in the uppercase. It's here. It's a capitalized, and the third one to go in the uppercase. For the second one, it will be lowercase. Second one to be capitalized. Third one will be capital letters or uppercases. Then they may also switch between open tabs on the common presentation. We have Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow key, which select to the desired location. Let me show you. It's Ctrl Shift plus, for example, Ctrl Shift this arrow key, and then Ctrl Shift back arrow will be like that. And then, for example, there is the word down, or like those words, and then I will select, for example, moving backward and upward by using up arrow key. Yeah, I think everybody is getting what I'm talking. I think all of those do work the same. Shift arrow key, press it one letter at a time. Yeah, as I have shown. Yeah, when I want to select one letter at a time, I use shift plus arrow key. You see, simply, which is differ from Ctrl A, for example, which is select all. Yeah, or what is using this right click and this slide. Yeah, let's come back. Oh yeah, here we go on this one. Shift Ctrl plus arrow key out, select the word yet where we come from. Shift plus N. Yeah, select the line of the text. Yeah, it's a shift plus home or plus N. Yeah, for example, when you're here, press shift plus N. It's you means you select a whole line. And when you come on second, for example, shift plus N or shift plus home, it's work the same. Yeah, shift plus N or shift plus home button. Yeah, I think we finished it. Yeah, and I can say, oh, thank you for everybody who have participated in this the end of the lesson. I'm very happy to see you subscribe on my channel and comment below and say what you want me to work for. What topic do you want me to explain? What technology you don't understand? I'm here for the solution. I am David and I will never give up. I believe that everybody who work hard will earn more. As we say, or as a philosophical I speak says, there is no gain without the loss, or there is no success without sacrifice also. Okay, I can say goodbye and good luck. Thank you. I love you so much. Yeah, please comment below. So hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to all for having all notifications and receive all videos we are going to make, which are so surprising, also amazing. Goodbye. God bless you.